Maybe 14 times. No, probably like 14 times.
Victoria, what'd you take out?
Took out a 3.
Took out a 3. What's left, Victoria?
X to the 4th minus 2.
Okay.
It's okay.
Everybody good with that?
So there's,
We would have gotten that.
there's more.
There's more. There's a lot more going. You look inside. This is called the what?
The difference between perfect equals.
Difference of two perfect squares. What times itself is x to the 4th?
X squared.
X squared. What times itself is 16? 4. So you should be saying this to yourself. X squared times x squared. 4 times 4.
Plus and minus.
Plus and minus. Or minus and plus. Doesn't matter. Am I done?
No.
No! Because one of these binomials is still factorable.
The difference.
The difference of
Two perfect
two
squares.
perfect squares is x plus 2 times x minus 2, right?
Yeah.
Is this one factorable? X squared plus 4?
No.
No. This one you just leave with a 3 out in front. Now I'm completely factored. You will get 100% on the test. If all you can do is this, from here to here, you will probably get 2 out of 5 points. Here to here, you might get 3 out of 5 or 4 out of 5. To get 5 out of 5, you need to get to that point. Okay? That makes sense? Okay. The farther you get, the better off you are. Okay. All right. Next up. This was on your quiz last week, wasn't it? Or, I guess, before Christmas. Oh, by the way, Carlos,
Oh, I forgot to come.
you have to take the quiz. Elsa, you gotta take it? Okay. I think that's it. Okay. Hey guys, I'm giving you the answers to your polynomial. It's a cubic polynomial. I'm giving you the answers. It's this, it's this, it's this. Put it in standard form. How are you gonna do that?
I got it.
Would you just boil it out?
Well, wait a minute. There's nothing here.
X plus 2, X minus 4.
Okay, so you're telling me if this is an answer, if this is a 0, it comes from this factor. This one comes from, and this one?
X minus 1.
And all that multiplied should give you your polynomial. Call it what? It's a cubic polynomial. Okay. Am I done?
No.
Put it in what form?
Standard.
Which means you're going to have to do a lot of what?
Four?
Foil. Go. Get ahead of me. There, I did the first 2. Does that match yours?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't want to make a mistake and then find out later I made a mistake, so good. Okay. Now you get to, it's not called foiling when you take trinomials times binomials, but it's kind of the same thing, right? I go this direction, by the way. I'd go this way, and then this way. Then I'd go this way. And get positive 2x. this is going to equal my answer in standard form. Standard form would be
X squared.
cubed is done. This one
Minus 3.
and this one.
Minus 6x.
Minus 10x.
Okay, this one and that one.
Minus 6x.
Plus 8. Whoops. Equals. Guys, they told you right away, find a cubic polynomial. Do you have a cubic polynomial?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right here. It's got a 3. We're good.
Yes, you did.
Good?
Yep.
Move on.
Yeah.
Find the zeros and the multiplicities of the following function. Okay, guys, I keep forgetting to put my equal zeros on there. So now, go find me the zeros to this function. And then when you're all done, tell me the multiplicity of each zero. You okay?
Mm-mm.
How do you find zeros?
Exactly what we did yesterday.
Yes, it is, but how do you find them? Gotta get them in factored form.
No, it's not.
So it's a factor. All I'm telling you to do is factor.
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody find a GCF or not?
X.
What is it?
X.
Just X? Okay. Yeah? Okay. Is that good enough? Am I done?
No, you're not.
I got a trinomial. Does this trinomial factor into two binomials? What times what is x to the fourth?
X squared.
Times
X squared.
x squared times x squared is x to the fourth. What times what is 36? But adds up to negative 13.
Negative
And negative.
Negative 4 I heard.
Yep.
Times
Negative
thing is negative 9. Okay. I agree.
9. Both of these can
They're both in it.
do the thing.
Yep. They're both what?
Difference.
Differences of 2 squares.
Perfect square.
Okay. So split and split. Okay. So here we go. And x out here. First one.
X minus 3x plus.
X minus 3. No, no,
Oh,
no. I might have it opposite of you.
X minus 2x plus 2.
Okay. Followed by.
X plus 3. X minus 3.
Okay. Gotcha. Now remember what I said in the beginning. Find me the what?
0.
Zeros. Find me the
Multiplicity.
multiplicity. Okay. Well, the zeros, there's a lot of them. This one,
0.
1.
when x is 0. When this x is 2.
Negative 2.
Negative 2.
Negative 3.
Negative 3.
And 3.
And 3. And the multiplicities are so easy. All you do is look at the exponent. X to the first, x minus 2 to the first, 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 boom, 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 we're done. Here's the deal though. On the test on Friday, it's not going to be quite that easy. You might find a 2 up here and a 3 out here. So then you'd say what? 3 there,
2 there.
2 there, like that. I mean, it's not a big deal. I just want you to know it's not going to be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. I don't think it's going to be 1, 1, 1. I don't think it's that easy. I should have just made you take out an x cubed instead of an x. Okay, can we move on? I'll give you a little more guidance on this one, and I'll give you a little more time on this one. What do I want you to do?
Graph.
Just graph. Okay. When you graph, it's nice to know right away, how does this thing act? Up, up, down, down, line, you know. So can you start here? And then tell me how many times this thing might turn. So start here, start here. I'll give you 30 seconds to get this and this.
Is it add number?
Don't say anything. Just talk to your group. And behavior. What'd you go with? Down, down?
No. Up, down.
Which term do you care about?
The X is there.
Only, yeah, the highest degree term. It's odd. Odd acts like lines. It's negative. The leading coefficient is negative.
It's up, down.
So it's going to be up, down. It's a line going down is what it is. So it's up, followed by down. Correct? What about turning points? How many times could it turn? See that right there? What do you do to the 3?
-1.
-1, it could turn what? 2, or all you gotta do is subtract 2 from what you just said. 0. So it could turn twice, it could turn none. Here's a none, that's a none, and that's a 2. Okay, that's what they could look like. Okay, now you tell me, if we're gonna graph, what should we find first?
The zeros.
The zeros. How do you get the zeros? Foil or factor? Which one?
Factor.
Factor. Go. Factor it right now. How'd you factor it?
-2.
Take out a what?
X.
A
Negative
2x?
2.
Okay, somebody said 2x. I think Jay said 2x. All right, 2x, I'll take it out. What's left?
X squared
Squared
plus
plus
5.
Oh, wait a minute.
I thought you'd take a -2x.
Well, you can take a negative 2x if you want, but Jay said 2x, so I went 2x. If I take out a 2x, isn't this going to give me
5.
5 minus
X
Squared.
x squared?
Yeah.
We just split it out.
Okay. That's what I get when I take out 2x. If you take out negative 2x, you're going to get -5 plus x squared, okay? All right. Now, is this the difference of 2 perfect squares?
Yes.
Nope.
No.
Is 5 perfect?
Yep.
No. It's not factorable. So what are your zeros? When is this and when is this going to be what? 0. So set them equal to 0. Ready? Divide by 2. What's the answer? If you let x be 0, you will get 0. That should make sense. 10 times 0 minus 2 times 0 cubed. That's 0. What about that one? Move the 5 over. -5 divide by -1. Square root. What's your answer?
Square root of 5.
Plus
Minus.
Ah, so you do have 3 zeros. That was x cubed. You should have 3 solutions. Okay, ready? Tell me, where do I go for that one? That's easy. 0. Where do I go for square root of 5 and where do I go for negative square root of 5? Where is that? Punch it in. Punch it. Somebody punch it in.
2.4.
2 point.
4.
No.
2.2.
I think it's 2.24 or 23.
2.4.
2.4. Okay. So guys, roughly about 2.24 or something like that. So go here and go here, and that is where your graph crosses the x-axis. Now here's the deal. You know the end behavior is up on the left. Hey, look, up on the left, down on the right. What you don't know is, what's it doing in between the zeros? So if I'm you, I'm thinking I better throw some numbers in. Make a little quick table. You tell me what's a good number to plug in if you want to know what's happening between these two.
1.
This is the square root of 5, by the way. Okay, 1 I heard. Yeah, 1 will tell you where to go, but what can I plug in 2? Because this number, square root of 5, is 2.23. Can I plug in 2? Sure. If you plug in 1, come over here. 10 times 1. Take away 2 times 1 cubed. That's 10. 1 times 1 times 1. 1 times 2, negative 2. Negative 2. Yep. What's the answer? 8. So you're getting 1 goes in, 8 comes out. About there. So this goes up, 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 up. What's going on here? Looks like it's going up. When's it coming down? Well, try 2. If you try 2 right here and right here, you're going to get 20 here. And then you're going to get, say again, negative 16. Right? 4. You're going to get 2, 4. 2, 4. It goes like this guy, up, 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 turns a corner somewhere, it comes down, hits the square root of 5, and then it just goes down. And I'm not really precise here. This isn't very precise. If I wanted to get really good, I'd throw in a 5 or a 7 or something, if I want to know where I'm at. What about in between here and here? What should you plug in?
Negative 1, negative 2.
Yep. You know what? To save time, just to save time, I'm going to tell you. When you put in negative 1, you actually get out negative 8. When you put in negative 2, you're going to get out negative 4. So that would be about here and here. So it kind of does this little number. There. How many times did it really turn? 2 or 0?
2.
So 2 is the answer to here. Okay? That's it. It's kind of a nasty problem. It's not a fun problem. Those are tough to grab.
Don't forget. While you're waiting.
3, 7, 8, 331.
Just, 10 after.
Okay. All right. All right. Oh, I guess I can't hit that. Nope. All right.
You have to do that every single time.
What's that? What do we got?
Find the height.
Find the height.
Well, not like.
Well, here's you. If you go like this on the test, if you go like, well, I know it goes up and down, I know it goes like this. Well, it really goes down to negative 8, it goes up to positive 8, you're off. If you get the right form, I might give you 3 out of 5 or something, but yeah, you gotta be a little, you gotta know the height of the peak and the bottom of the valley. Okay?
So like say
Yes.
that like it was in between so it was negative 4, 0, and 4.
Negative 4 what?
So like the zeros were negative 4.
Oh, negative 4, sorry.
0
Yeah.
and 4.
And positive 4, okay?
I would only have to find
I just do 2.
2 and
Yeah, and
negative
if 2 told me it was 10, okay, and if negative 2 tells me it's negative 5, then I kind of know it goes like this. You know
Then
what I
I
mean?
would have to do every single.
No, don't waste your time. I only did that because I only did it. The best number to try would have been like 1.5.
Okay.
1.5 is hard to try. I just do 1 and 2. Okay. Okay, guys, this one. Ready? You are going to find all what?
Imaginary solution.
Okay. You're going to find all real or imaginary solutions by factoring or by using what?
P over Q.
P's over Q's, which we just learned. But here's the deal. I'll give you a huge hint. What's my hint?
Factor first.
Factor first. Do not do P's and Q's. Because if you can factor, you can do these so much quicker. Okay? Oh, forgot something. Forgot my 0. Can you read that? Probably not. Okay, there you go. 4 terms. What are you thinking? How you gonna factor 4 terms? Should be thinking grouping. Does everybody agree the first 2 terms share x squared?
Yeah.
What do the second 2 terms share?
3.
3, but
Negative.
I take out negative. If the coefficient's negative, take out a negative. So here I take out x squared. Here I take out negative 3.
Yep.
Okay, what's left?
X minus 5.
X minus 5. What's left?
X minus 5.
X minus 5. See, and the reason you took out negative 3 is because you want the x minus 5 in there. Okay, so now this is a term, x squared times x minus 5. This is a term, negative 3 times x minus 5. What do they share?
X minus
X
5.
minus
X minus 5, it becomes the GCF. Take the GCF times what?
X squared minus 3.
X squared minus 3. Okay,
Equals plus or minus 4.
okay.
X.
Hey guys,
Hold
is
on,
this
you're right.
factorable?
Yes.
You
Well,
guys.
not
No, I
really.
did
That's
that.
just right there. Okay. This is not factorable, so now you just have to kind of solve them. What about this one?
Oh, factor.
X equals 5.
Yep.
X
Right.
equals the square plus or minus the square.
Okay, without showing my work, guys, I would have slid the 3 over, made it positive 3, took the square root of positive 3, and got plus or minus square root of positive 3. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You look at that next one.
That's curve. That's 2 different curves.
Look, right there. There's going to be at least one of these on the test. When you see x cubed first, you guys, you got to know x cube's a perfect cube. You should always right away say, is that a perfect cube? Do you know your perfect cubes?
Yeah.
1 is perfect. 8 is perfect.
6.
27 is perfect.
Is it 16?
64 is perfect. Okay.
No, 64.
What's the cube root of this? 64.
4.
4. This.
X.
X. Then you got to go back to your memory and say, okay, do I know when I have a perfect cube minus a perfect cube? Do I know the 2 factors? Because you have to know it by Friday. I'm not giving you this formula. This one's going to be what?
X. Oh, A.
Minus
Minus
B
B.
times
And then A squared
A squared in front,
plus.
B squared in back. Always A squared plus B squared.
And
Always.
then if it's
Plus A.
the opposite way, then it's minus
Then
A.
It's always AB. This will be the opposite of that. So this, if this is a minus, this is a plus. There's your answer. But this is your answer if it's A cubed minus B cubed. What if it's X cubed minus 64?
Well,
Now
then-
you have to know what's your A and what's your B. A is the cube root of this. B is the cube root of this. So what's the cube root of X cubed?
X.
64.
4.
So now you just plop the numbers in and you're done. Here we go. What's this going to be? A minus B?
X minus 4.
X minus 4. What's this going to be?
X squared.
Square the X squared. What's this going to be?
That's gonna be 16.
16.
Plus 4x.
Yeah. AB is just these two multiplied, 4X, with a,
Plus.
oh,
Minus.
plus. Sorry. That's it. Now, did I ever share this with you? This trinomial is never factorable. Don't waste your time to get the zeros out of this. How do you get the zeros out of this?
Quadrant formula.
Formula,
I don't think that that'd be
right? Okay, well then, just tell me the answer on this one.
4.
That's a freebie. Cody,
Yeah.
question?
Nope.
Yep, look at me. Here we go. Formula. You get 30 seconds and then I do it. Go. We got about 2 minutes left. Oh, because you can't take the square of both sides because you have an x term. The 4x messes you up. If you had x squared plus 16, then you could take the square of both sides. Formula is always needed when you have an x term. Oh, that caught me off guard.
Oh, God.
Keep going.
Hey guys, this is what you should have got right there. Then that breaks into this. Okay? 16 and -1, that's just what? Isn't that just 4i times square root of 3?
Wait.
It's 2i. And then it would
Yeah,
be
2 goes in there, and 2
Negative
goes in there.
2i.
There they are. I did reduce. I did from there to there.
I got the -4. I got the -48. But
Yeah?
where do you get that 1 times 16?
Well, because I'm thinking of a perfect square that goes into 48. You might have thought of 4 times 12. But 16 times 3 gives you 48.
Can we divide the negative 48 by 2? Before we start, like.
No, you can't do that. You can't do that.
You are.
Josh, you gotta simplify that first to be this, then the integer divided by the integer can be reduced. Okay?
You want us to do the full packet?
You guys, hey, did you grab a worksheet?
Oh, no.
Afternoon snuck out. If you can find those students, send them back. If not, they just have to start from scratch. Oh, no! Hey, first page only. First page only.
I got one.
You got one? First page only. Selena?
What?
First page
Do I
only.
have to go, you're gonna leave in 2 minutes,
I'm going over to room 331.
aren't you? Isn't that like right there?
It's just the kitty corner all the way up. Yeah, I'm back there. It's got Dennis Swings.
Like first page meaning front.
It's 1 through 13. First page. I mean, you can do as much as you want, as little as you want. If you don't do any, it just means you have more to do tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay?
I don't know if she has anything for me to do.
No, she didn't say a word.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna shut this down. Man, this thing just froze up on me. This is so weird. Oh, that's what happened.